Another day, another Vleezy. Yo, sesebram yabo ngiphethe igwapha. Sesiyabangena ke the Callers sophomore album intsikelelo yabo listening session pha recording first half yabo, but yeah, we just wanna buy a few things before sibangene. Izazi emntaneni lacho asambe papa inside sangena ke ngoku ayike. You know, skena ngala aura engapheli. Inside, papa, inside. Let's go inside. Let's hear what team that the album, but obviously, the unswempo kakhulu, so we know who dies is okay at the same time. Kandula cheche. I want everyone is pulling up, okay? Nangu kwapo pulling up busy. Actually, such a pagadi inside. Such a kamakametu there because no man, that VIP list. If I go in the list, I'm getting. But yo, fortunately, it's a corner we list because I'm a VIP. You know, I say, Baslum selling those are corner man, but they say, if I want to take banging, Polile on is just chilling, just before everything you're going to Kale. And on everything you're going to. Okay. But as you can see, Jay Pola is up and too crazy. Figgy flower boy. Bullies Mtona Yami Tanko, the taxi. Jambo boy, Tanko. So on papa. Okay, one get no bigger on the ones and two. Bigger beats on the ones and two. We are born, we're turning up already. Hit after hit, papa. Hit after hit, papa. Ziyakhala, you know. Abantu bayangena ngiyagcwala, you know. But upper we say early, you know, transfer early, you know. Then DVD as a DVD. I always born. Say wafike ku D. Wangen D is in the building. Okay, no Jai is in the building. Why bafike bemba boy 2? Why behamba boy 2? Hayi, but fade. Okay, Jai and I in the building. Ngifike sekufika no D, but let's go up. Like say, yo, Boozy Lee in the building, papa. Ulendile kuse silapha sitholakele njengotholakele siyakhala ke siyakhala, you know, i-vibe galo, i-vibe khala ne-hugs say nani please apha ndiyani ya-DVD, you know, ya-DVD amajita amezazeni izinja ke danko hayi kuse siqhuba ngohlelo yaqala.
Can't wait for you guys to hear everything. And standing next to me is my dog, the big dog, and you call him. Yes, you want to meet the people?
Morning, guys. Shovels at everybody. I'm so happy that you guys came through. You know, it has been a long time coming, like Papa said, but I'm really so thankful for the support that I get, whether in Joburg or in Cape Town. But most importantly, it's also nice to see my fellow mates coming through to say hi and check me out. People that I've met in Joburg, people that I've bumped into Brown. Thank you for creating a little memory for me in Joburg, you know, because you guys know how to stay here, but like, it's always nice to come through and be loved so much by you guys. And I really hope you guys take something from this album, and I hope you guys listen attentively. This concert can be a little bit.
Should I play another mix? Okay, so I'm going to let you introduce the song, the name of it, who produced it, and at the end of the song, she'll probably talk about it just a bit. And then, yeah, ready?
I think you guys know Anazile came out like prior.
bugging. 21 niggas and half of them thugging. Niggas are one down. You pull up with your bitch, she tell me you bitch, you deal it with me. Belly no baby, bro, belly no baby. Moving like come down.
Esse eu ia gostar de basquetebol, de uma basquetebol. Ai, double trouble. Double trouble.
Njengoba ubonile okozikhala ngoku with the big Ting Josie ekuse Jofi big Ting Josie no Ja inside papa. Okay athi nibeka lento xa beklase ecaleni awuthi ke niplace udinge autograph lana vekuthiwa uyakhala uthi yelokho I won't place man. No, let me just place it because the album is fire buffet, so make sure you listen to the album Intsikelelo by Dikoala. Super dope. My favorite song Nombolo. I don't know if that's the name of the song, but yeah, le Nombolo on I know Ja what no manga sign dithi Ja sign Ja shi signature yakho nawapha wayisayina kahle pha phezulu Ja. Okay let's get it. Ekuse phula no puzzle we're about to via. Ekuse danko love and love you, subscribe.